What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title of the video today, we're actually changing coilovers in my Silvia. My car currently has like 10-year-old HSDs in it, so I figured any upgrade is going to be a good upgrade. But Maxpeeding rods hit me up. Actually, they've been in my DMs for a while. I always just reply and say, send me coilovers, and then they finally sent me some coilovers. So, we have box here, and it actually has their... Hey, why am I dark? I'm coming back. It actually has their T6 coilovers, which are like they're kind of like street focused coilovers, but they said I should be fine for track drifting, which is all I do with my Silvia. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. Just going to swap some coilovers on, and then because that'll only take like 2 minutes on video, after that we're going to go test them at Raleigh Raceway, as next weekend is gravy roast, so it's 2 days of drifting, so I can really put them through their paces. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox these and then we're going to put them in my car, maybe lower the car like a little bit, and then after that we'll cut to roast. Oh yeah, adjuster spanners, instructions, and the goods. Yeah, as you can tell, I did actually open it previously. Anyway, so yeah, these look way better than their stupid yellow and whatever colour springs the other ones had, because they did look really cheap. These actually look pretty nice, like, if I'm being honest. So yeah, they're all adjustable. Yeah, nice powder coat, good colours. Thanks, Maxpeeding rods. Alright, so we've got the old HSDs out. Honestly, they don't seem too bad a condition. Like, top hats are still real tight. Anyway, so they'll be fine. Might chuck them on Marketplace or something. Anyway, I feel like Maxpeeding rods really overestimated how low I'm going to go. But, anyway, we're going to adjust these to like similar-ish sort of height. Maybe like, I don't know, 5-10 mil lower. And then we'll chuck these front ones back in. Alright, fronts are in. Let's chuck a wheel back on and see if I got it anywhere near where it needs to be. Also, appreciate my OG burst knuckles. There we go. It is a touch lower, so it tucks a little bit of tyre now. Alright, fresh coilovers in. I think I need to lower the back a little bit, but yeah, I'm just not sure because I set them up to be pretty soft, so I don't know if it'll still work with how much my car squats, so I'm thinking I might just do it at Raleigh on the weekend. Anyway, so that's the plan. There and there, and the next part of this video will be us at gravy roast. Oh yeah, very warm out here. Anyway. Alright, what's up, boys? We've made it to gravy roast. It was really cold this morning, and yeah, the car's ready to go. I haven't actually really done too much. We changed the relay for the fuel pump. That's about it. Yeah, so Chen's already out there, which is crazy. So yeah, we're about to head out for some laps, see how this car goes, see how these new coilovers feel. Yeah, and Benny's going to be passenger. The sheer excitement. I can see his loins shaking with how badly he wants to be out there in the car.
Sure. God, do you store this car at the bottom of a lake?
I wish, eh?
Moringa Rivers clearly running through the passenger side of your car.
Oh, that's my bad, eh?
What the fuck? Fuck, there's nothing in it. Oh!
Oh yeah, so I forgot my GoPro battery, and that's why we're on the iPhone camera cam in car. But yeah, the front's a little bit skatey, so I'm gonna take some camber out, and then hopefully that fixes the whole no front grip issue.
What?
Oh, that's a nice looking car, mate. It'd be a shame if you ran into something. Oh no.
You're actually building one. Are you building a vlog for this weekend?
Yeah.
Nice.
Now Brett's in it. He's made the channel. That's a great looking Silvia. Alright, so yeah, as you heard in the video, there's a little tappy noise on the motor. We don't really know what it is. So Buck said just to keep driving it and then see what happens. So we'll just roll with that. And then I just went out to do some laps again, and my car shot out the stub axle, same as it does all the time. So I'd really love to fix that one day. Probably not today though, we're just gonna hammer it back in, but another day, definitely fix it. Thanks, Tyler. Yeah, gotta get the vlog happening.
No one likes coffee.
Alright, so we've done day 2 of Gravy Roast. The car's fixed now. We didn't finish doing the stub axle until like after 5 yesterday, so the track was closed. But yeah, chucked a bunch more fuel in it. And then yeah, we're about to go out for some laps, but then Chen actually lost his wheel. So now the track's stationary for a little while. But anyway, we'll go back out soon and try and get some more footage.
Hey, what happened here?
I touched the front brakes and it just went straight.
Copy.
I thought it was going to hit a little hard. Oh, that's alright. Oh, okay.
That's sweet. Just put that back on.
Yeah. It's as good as new.
That one's a bit. That's a bit fucking up that way. That used to be the good one. Oh yeah, a bit more of that. Just keep doing what you were doing. There we go. That's better.
It's pretty close, yeah. It just needs a hammer on the back.
Yeah.
There you go, one more in here.
There's barely any pedal gaps now.
Really? None?
No, I said barely.
Oh, this one's pretty tight if you stand right here. If you put the camera there, it's sweet.
Oh, yeah.
But if you move a bit,
The car's got bells.
it's a bit. It's all about perspective, hey.
One more check screen.
There we are, like a brand new one. Except the headlight kind of being cooked and all the tyre marks. But anyway, it's brand new. Beautiful. Thanks, mate. Alright, so after crashing into Joel there, I went to take off after inspecting my vehicle, and my gearbox, or my shifter, goes like this now. And after some careful investigation, not sure you'll be able to see it on the camera, but where are we? Where can I look from? Anyway, yeah, the engine mount's actually like totally torn in half, so I'll have to put some new mounts in it before Drift the Downs. But yeah, I guess it's like a bit after midday on the Sunday, so I'm probably just gonna pack up and take my car home while it still works. Yeah, take my car home while it still works. Then we got Drift the Downs in like 2 weekends anyway, so I'll have to get some new engine mounts put in, and then we'll be sweet to go for Drift the Downs. So I'll see you guys in a fortnight. Stay tuned and I'll give my review on the Maxpeeding rod coilovers that I installed for this weekend. Gold Coast traffic is the absolute worst, but look how good that sky is today. Alright, review of the Maxpeeding rods coilovers. As you can see in the outside footage though at Raleigh, it is a bit bouncy. I think I had the settings a bit too soft with the dampener. I'm sure there's a sweet spot of where to actually dial them into. I did change them a little bit for Morgan Park, so it's not as bad. But I think just getting in there, messing around with it a little bit, front and rear, and trying to get that perfect balance, it should be totally fine. Other than that, my car honestly probably steered a bit more stable than it has been. I'm assuming my HSD has been 10 years old, probably aren't in the best condition. But yeah, honestly, my personal review, I'm no suspension expert. I drove my car for 2 events and literally zero dramas. Only thing was after Raleigh, they did come loose a little bit, which apparently is a thing that happens with Maxpeeding rods, but you just check them every few events or whatever. If you're doing a street car using them, T6s, perfectly fine. I reckon that'd be great. I'd love for them to bring out their T7, which only come in like BMW or something at the moment, but yeah, I'd love to give them a rip. So yeah, my honest review of them is they're pretty good, probably better than 10-year-old coilovers. Obviously for the price, I think a T7 set's like $770 for a full set delivered in Australia. There is a code in the description below. I think you get like 10% off or something. I can't remember what the code is, Jacob P10 or whatever. It's down there, do that. But yeah, anyway, big shout out to Maxpeeding rods, send me some coilovers. I'm going to use them till they don't work anymore. And yeah, if you guys need some for your car, I guess get some. If not, get some cheapies off Marketplace. I'm not your boss, you do you. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Check out the merchandise. Oh wait, I'm wearing Vans today. But anyway, this is a print shop where we make everything. But anyway, check out the merch and see you guys soon. Hopefully we have a panel van run-in video ASAP.